What's going on YouTube? As always, I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far today. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mike, and on this channel we talk about how to make more money through things such as investing in stocks, side hustles, and cryptocurrency. So if you guys enjoy making money and that sounds interesting to you, make sure you guys click that subscribe button below and click the bell right next to it so you guys don't miss any videos. And also give me one of these and like the video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer all of your stocks from Robinhood into Webull. Although I'm going to be showing you guys how to do from Robinhood into Webull, you guys can do almost any brokerage out there, but for this example, I am going to be doing Robinhood. This process is very easy as long as you follow the steps that are in this video, so make sure you guys watch until the very end so you guys don't miss any of the steps. I will actually be transferring all of my stocks from Robinhood into Webull in this video to show you guys that it does work, and I'm doing that because I'm going to be starting a new series where I'm going to be starting the account off, like a brand new Robinhood account pretty much with $5,000 and growing that. I'm going to show you guys each trade that I make, and I'm really happy and excited for this series. I think it's going to be some great content. So guys, make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already with the bell clicked so you guys don't miss any of these videos coming up. So the first step is to make sure you guys do have an account on Webull and whichever brokerage you are transferring from. If you guys do not have an account on Webull, use the link in the description below. If you sign up with that link, you get 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600. So make sure you guys do take advantage of that and use the link in the description for some free money. All right, so after you have a Webull account, you're going to want to head over to your Robinhood account. As you can see, we're having a good day so far today. Hopefully that keeps up. You're going to click the little person in the bottom right-hand corner. After you click the guy in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see your account number. You're going to see 2 numbers here. You're going to see an RHS followed by about 9 digits. My number is 9 digits. I don't know if everybody's is 9, 8, 10 digits, whatever it is. Mine's 9 digits, and you're going to see an apex number with a bunch of numbers and letters. You're going to want to screenshot or write down your RHS number because you're going to need that in a few minutes. All right, so after you copy that number down, you're going to want to head over to the Webull app. Once you're on the Webull app, you're going to want to click the bottom middle button to open up your main account. On the right side, you're going to see more, where it says it should say new for you. It might not say new, but it says more on the right side. After you click more, you're going to see cash and stock transfer. You click the transfer option, and then right there you see transfer stocks into Webull. You can see I already have some money transferring over because I'm going to be moving everything from Robinhood over to my Webull account. I already liquefied some of my stocks and sold out of some positions on my Robinhood account, so I have some couple $1,000s transferring over to here. So you're going to click transfer stocks into Webull. You're going to see this screen with a couple of, not warnings, but a couple of heads ups for you guys. So the first thing says, only listed US stocks, ADRs, and ETFs are accepted. Webull supports individual cash, margin accounts, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and rollover IRAs only. Number 3 is a very important step. When you guys are making an account, if you're just joining Webull, make sure you guys are using your exact name, spelled the exact same that you had on Robinhood, birth date, all the information has to be the exact same when transferring stocks. So it says the name and type of the delivering account must be identical to the receiving account's name and type. Transfer may be delayed if your outgoing account type differs from your Webull account. Another heads up is that your broker might charge you $75 depending on how much you have in your account. A lot of brokerages might do it for free if you have X amount of dollars because they want you to transfer all that money into the brokerage, so they might give you a free commission for it. So number 4 says your broker may charge you $75 for transferring out. The specific amount varies by brokers. In order to protect our customers, Webull does not support account transfers of assets below $500 due to the high transfer cost. The alternative cost-free option is to liquidate your positions at your broker, pull the funds to your bank, and deposit those funds into Webull. So what that means is to sell all of your positions that you have, get the cash, transfer to your bank account, and then transfer from your bank account into Webull. The problem with that is you miss out on opportunities when you do sell out of your stocks. Let's say, for example, you have 3 shares of Visa. I'm not sure what the price is right now. I'm just going to make this number up. Let's say it's $190 per share. You have 3 of them. You close that position out on Robinhood, get the cash, transfer it into your bank account, then transfer to Webull. That whole process probably takes 5 business days. By the time you buy back into Webull, you never know, Visa could be up to $210. So with all that processing time that it took to get into your bank account, then your bank account to send into Webull and everything to go through, you missed out on those $20 extra per share that you could have had. So after reading that, you're going to want to click transfer to Webull. And then this is where all the brokerages come up that you can do. You can click on other brokerages if yours isn't in this list right here, but we are doing Robinhood for this example. So you click on Robinhood. The outgoing account type is individual. Your outgoing account name will show up the exact same, and the account going number, this is the number, the RHS number that you copied from your Robinhood account. This is where that number goes. So after you enter that number, the transfer type is a full transfer. After you enter that information, it's going to have a few questions such as, do you have any options? Do you have any mutual funds? Or do you have any cryptocurrency? So I do not have any options open. I'm not transferring any mutual funds, and I have no cryptocurrencies currently, at least on my Robinhood account. And after that, you're going to click I acknowledge that my delivering broker may charge me $75 or more for transferring out. The specific amount varies by broker. Webull does not support account transfers of assets below 500, as I said before. So you're going to check that and click submit stock transfer request. After you followed all those steps, you are done. You just have to now wait for it to clear. It takes a few business days for it to do, and then you'll be right on Webull and you'll be able to trade. If this video did help you out, make sure you guys give me one of those and smash that like button. It does help me, it helps the channel, and helps the YouTube algorithm get these types of videos out to other people like you that I'm able to help. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it did help you out. Keep grinding. Peace.